Attention, hair loss sufferers. Are you tired of trying countless products and treatments that promise hair regrowth but deliver little to no results? We understand the frustration and self-consciousness that comes with thinning hair or balding. But what if we told you there's a natural, scientifically backed solution that could help you regrow your hair without harsh chemicals or expensive procedures? Prepare to be amazed as we unveil a single, powerful remedy that may unlock the secret to revitalizing your locks and restoring your confidence. Imagine running your fingers through a thick, luscious mane once again. Picture the envious glances you'll receive as your hair regains its youthful vigor. This game-changing remedy has the potential to transform your hair journey, and we're about to share it with you. Before we dive into the details of this remarkable natural remedy, let's explore the science behind hair growth and the factors that can contribute to hair loss. Hair growth cycle. Hair growth is a complex process that involves three distinct phases: the anagen, growth phase, the catagen, transition phase, and the telogen, resting phase. Disruptions in this cycle can lead to excessive shedding or stunted growth, resulting in thinning hair or bald patches. Causes of hair loss. Various factors can disrupt the hair growth cycle, including genetics, hormonal imbalances, stress, nutrient deficiencies, medical conditions, and certain medications. Understanding the underlying cause is crucial for targeting an effective treatment. The natural remedy revealed. Drumroll, please. The natural remedy we're about to unveil is none other than the humble yet powerful pumpkin seed oil. This unassuming oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but recent scientific studies have shed light on its remarkable hair-boosting properties. Pumpkin seed oil benefits. 1. Nutrient-rich. Pumpkin seed oil is packed with essential nutrients like zinc, iron, and vitamins A, C, and E, which are vital for healthy hair growth. 2. Hormonal balance. This oil contains phytonutrients that can help regulate hormones linked to hair loss, such as dihydrotestosterone, DHT. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Pumpkin seed oil has potent anti-inflammatory effects, which can soothe the scalp and promote a healthy environment for hair follicles. 4. Antioxidant protection. The antioxidants present in this oil can neutralize free radicals that contribute to hair damage and premature graying. Application and usage. 1. Scalp massage. Gently massage a few drops of pumpkin seed oil into your scalp using your fingertips. This stimulates blood flow and nourishes the hair follicles. 2. Hair mask. Mix pumpkin seed oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour before shampooing. 3. Dietary supplement. Consider adding pumpkin seed oil to your diet by incorporating it into smoothies, salads, or other dishes. Scientific evidence. Numerous studies have highlighted the efficacy of pumpkin seed oil in promoting hair growth and combating hair loss. One study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that participants who used pumpkin seed oil experienced a significant increase in hair growth compared to those who used a placebo. Another study in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine demonstrated that pumpkin seed oil could inhibit the activity of 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme involved in the conversion of testosterone to DHT, which is a key contributor to male pattern baldness. Personal testimonials. But don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals have shared their success stories after incorporating pumpkin seed oil into their hair care routines. From regaining confidence to embracing their natural beauty, the transformations are truly inspiring. I had been struggling with thinning hair for years, and nothing seemed to work. After just a few months of using pumpkin seed oil, I noticed significant regrowth, and my hair felt stronger and healthier than ever before. Sarah, 34. As a man, hair loss can be a real blow to your self-esteem. Pumpkin seed oil has been a game-changer for me. Not only has it helped with regrowth, but it's also given me a sense of control over my appearance. Michael, 42. Don't let hair loss diminish your confidence any longer. Embrace the power of nature with pumpkin seed oil, a single remedy that could unlock the secret to revitalizing your hair. Whether you're struggling with thinning hair, bald patches, or premature graying, this nutrient-rich oil may be the solution you've been searching for. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair regrowth. Incorporate pumpkin seed oil into your daily routine, and be patient as you allow your body to respond to this natural treatment. With dedication and perseverance, you may soon find yourself running your fingers through a luscious, revitalized mane that radiates health and vitality. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on your journey to natural hair regrowth today with pumpkin seed oil, the remedy that could restore your crowning glory.